we see more and more of these actions. Actions to make people aware of the value of green, and it's super important. In this case, you can hand in a tile and get a plant in return. Isn't it great? Well, what kind of plant? They are all perennials. What's so great about perennials? There are hundreds of different varieties. They come back every year, they provide biodiversity. And you see here already, it really does bring people together. It connects. And I myself am a real fan of perennials. The whole range provides lots of choices. There are ground covers, tall ornamental grasses, or again, perennials that bring abundant flowering. And actually, it is also a very sustainable choice, because unlike annuals, you only have to buy them once. And because it is a perennial, they come back year after year. In other words, a wise choice. Tiles out, plants in. But before we do that, we will apply some nutrient-rich soil, because no plants grow on white sand. The facade garden is ready to be planted. I bought several varieties of perennials. This is good for diversity and also biodiversity. After all, they are plants that flower at different times, which will attract lots of bees and butterflies, and that, of course, is important. You see, I only need a few to fill up this little border. They're still small, like this sedum, but in time they'll grow bigger, and then you'll see that it is completely filled with an unbroken leaf cover. This okay? Nice? Thumbs up. As you can see, greening is not very complicated. A few tiles out, perennials in. I did take into account that it can get quite hot here, there's lots of sunshine, but it will steadily grow by itself. A little weeding, then the plants grow bigger and no more maintenance is needed. And a nice contribution for insects is also important. Bye! Tile out, plant in. It sounds very simple, and fortunately it is. If you also want a green, healthy, attractive garden, just take some tiles out and put greenery in. And that brings benefits not only for you, but also for your neighbours. Are you inspired and want to know more about perennials? Then go to the Perennial Power website.